Kimly Construction has been in the Singapore built environment industry for 58 years. Our long-term success depends on being able to think ahead and understanding the times we are in. We recognize the importance of embracing sustainability now and how we all have a role to play in this. For Kimly, that journey and commitment to building a sustainable future starts at home, investing in our own green infrastructure. At the Kimly Innovation Hub in Tuas, we have solar panels on the rooftop, roughly the size of half a football field, which powers our prefabrication facilities. All the electricity required to lift and assemble the prefabrication modules are immense. However, the solar energy generated is more than we need here. The excess energy is then sold back to the grid for other companies to tap on.
Since we founded Energetix in 2008, our mission has been about delivering clean energy solutions to our clients. I've been in this business now for 27 years, and up until about 5 years ago, it was quite a struggle because most building owners felt that renewable energy was a large expense and hard to justify. Fast forward to today, things have changed so completely and the growth is really snowballing. Singapore, being a city, it's really about the built environment, and the most viable renewable energy source on buildings is solar panels. Our clients realize that by installing solar panels on their rooftop, they can harness the power of the sun to achieve two main things. One is to save electricity costs because they got free fuel, and the second thing is to reduce their carbon footprint. By adopting renewable energy, they're getting a return on their investment within 3 to 4 years. So it's like having an IRR of 20%. It's just such a compelling investment.
We are grateful for OCBC's support. It gave us the opportunity to invest in sustainability initiatives to develop new and innovative green building technologies. For instance, instead of diesel generators, we use smart battery systems to power tower cranes at construction sites. For our Midwood condominium project, the green financing loan from OCBC was also instrumental in helping us work with our client to build and design an energy-efficient building certified to the Green Mark Gold Plus standards. It's encouraging to see more of our clients looking to start or improve their sustainability efforts. But shaping a greener landscape is something we can't do alone. It calls for everyone in the industry to come together. We are on the cusp of an exciting transition to sustainability in our industry. And nothing will be more assuring than to have a trustworthy partner willing to journey with you on this.